and beer things. Yeah, man, you ready for go up on camera? Yacht! Alright. Alright, cool. Ready for recording now. Alright. Boom. Green screen. Alright, ready now. Oh, you mean people that don't know see your boy Yaadman Etan?
Yo.
Sorry for interrupt, but me have something to tell you.
What?
Shenseea, I got in Miami this weekend. Shenseea, I got in Miami? My Shenseea? I got in Miami. Not your Shenseea, our Shenseea, brother. Yo, easy yourself, man. Then, yo, look here. She got in on brand something named Sunscape, Zin? Yeah.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, yo, mean people. Ooh, hold on, pause and just appreciate the sunlight right now coming out golden. Yeah, oh my, just come out of the oven to rot in. Yo, all gone people them, and I don't know say Yaadman Etan there. And what we are do? We're heading to Broward County, Kingston 21. Since we come to Florida, I've been wanting to come to Broward for like a while. Come down to Fort Lauderdale area, come, South Florida. And, get some stuff done. So people them, we're about 4 hours away, so watch this earlier. Actually, no, I'm not even going to put my hand in front of the camera. Watch this earlier. Lauderdale. We nearly forget the camera. Looking at people, we're on the way to Fort Lauderdale right now, but boy, I'm not gonna take you up on the entire journey. As a matter of fact, I will take you on the entire journey, but I gotta speed it up. Yo, what going? So, we just reached in our place. Is it me I say? Just reached Kingston 21, Fort Lauderdale, and I don't know the things with. Welcome, brother.
Yo.
You good?
Yeah, I'm there, man. It's a man. What you take on again?
Eh?
You drive?
I drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You over there?
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah, man, I'm good.
It's something fun. Strictly for
6'2", bumbo clot.
You can't run that fast. Even if you escape, you still a pass. He might be dead. He might pass.
And the people them think say, my day for Shenseea. But it is a complete coincidence. You think it's a coincidence?
No, we're just here. Kawadea.
Yeah, we're just here cause we're there. You see me I say? I was here for other reasons, but it just turned out Shenseea was here at the wait name?
Some all-white party.
Some all-white party. Look here, right now we're all-white and their things. My friend Mo in the all-white and me in the white and half black, is it me I say? What Travis there? Is it me I say? Travis white and beer things, is it me I say? Yo, so Shenseea.
Yeah.
Shenseea. We're so far.
They got my swimmers there, look good here.
DJ Black Boy. Sunscape Wagwan. Man, I like the vibe, you know, watch through the sun gone down. Sunscape Wagwan. When we shed your name there. So they not see how we sexy and we have a little cute face. Drop me son of DJ Black Boy. Big up everybody who come out tonight. So, they not see how we sexy and we have a little cute face. Some girl want to style and not chat, but I time them away. If a girl a bad man, me now. We take a girl man, me now. And we will take him anytime, anywhere. When we sit up and you would like him. Remember, say a host will come here for host tonight. Me have one flight, me have to catch. But I still have to do look 1 and 2 songs for my shenging them. I can preach a little sermon. You have some walkless girl about you, amen. You have some walkless girl about you, amen. You have some girl where them man say sick boo sick them up and sit down in a street, amen. You have some girl where make them man black and blue them yeah, and when them ready them go to road and cover it and tell life in the man, amen. You have some girl where make them man force them to do threesome cause them have to for the money to make them body get done. All of the girls them have one money. No man can't say me if I beg you man my style that put me Kyle to him out the way. Hear me have it when I'm money and they got that. The only time me take 3 inch when a man a finger me. I like me a tell. Drop this song, let me see them know the new song.
Me not gonna lie to you, but me happy till you say me love it when you.
Like man, man, you put up a finger now.
Special about the feeling, one more feel
when you're indexing to me. Talk truth, for me. Put it in a me. Use 2 if you feel like
one is only one.
I even got to talk my business, but I like when me have sex and my man strangle and tie me up like whoa. Make all when we in November, me still am all out. Tell me good.
Strangle me and tie me up. Never you gonna know.
Now fight no girl over no man, me no eat that. Louder. Them up with me in a street and pass and this part of friend because she that. And if I can't touch me, we not say we not be that. But if me I take your man, yeah. Them up with me in a street and pass and always. If you're Shenyang, I'm here, say Shenyang. Say Shenyang. Me brother the back ready to take some picture. Big up on the cell.
Shenseea did go and perform and go do her thing. You see me I say? And then after her performance, she was taking pictures around the back. And you don't know say Yaadman did have to try to run back this one beer things. You get me? I say you don't know say Yaadman have to try running upon beer. Get some interaction with her. You get me? But unfortunately, Shenseea had to rush out because you know be busy and she had to go catch a flight. Yo, at this point, Shenseea take plane more than taxi. You see me I say? Like it's just unfortunate I couldn't get that picture or personal video with Shenseea. But this happened. What did you say that a while ago? Shenseea see me and call out to me. Yo people them, we are wear her down. We are wear her down. Shenseea, wait till my book here again. Yo people them, I don't see a boy Yaadman Etan and yeah. They said bye Yaadman. So yeah guys, yeah, that was my time in South Florida. So yeah, big up on yourself. Hear me I say man? Bye Yaadman.